Alright guys, so I'm in a spot where I can't really have people around because I know the person who has this dock, and as you can see, it is most definitely the weekend, but we're gonna see if we can get some fluke to bite from a new spot that I really haven't fished in a while. I'm gonna switch over to gulp, I think. Oh, that might have been a fish. I wasn't even ready for that. It was like the lamest hook set on the planet. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish right there. Small, really small. Keep it like right up next to the dock. Oh boy, sorry buddy. Relax, dude. All right, there's our first fluke. He's about 10 inches. He's going back. I might have to start freshwater fishing soon. Literally, that's the only way I'm gonna like catch shit. Oh, there's a fish. I had that sitting on the bottom right there. I had that literally sitting on the bottom, laying on the bottom. Are you serious? There's a fish. I thought I was stuck on the bottom. I literally had him just, I guarantee as soon as I put the rod in the rod holder, he ate it. That's a good sign though. That means there's some fish around. Another fluke for the books. All right, so when we were here earlier, we caught a fish where we needed about 5 times the size. Now we need about 2 times the size. So they're growing. They're getting bigger. That's all that matters. I bet when the tide changes later today and starts to move out, I bet it'll be pretty decent. But yeah, I don't know. I literally just, my thing was like over there and I was like end of the cast. I went to go check my phone and I just put the thing in the rod holder. The rod in the rod holder, and I guarantee as soon as I put the rod in the rod holder, he bit, and I didn't even know. Okay, so as you can see, I tied on a high-low rig, a different type of presentation. So like, if you realize that you're having a hard time hooking up, struggling hooking up, you're missing hook sets, or the fish are not like, really hitting it or biting it the way you want it to, the best way to go about fixing that is to just change up your presentation completely. If you can do that and then it's successful, then you know that that's the presentation you need to go with. We're trying our best to catch them shorts. Can't even catch the shorts. When fluke are big and they bite on and they have, actual mouths. So there's a fish. Doesn't feel too big, but you never know. I could get him vertical and then he could be a lot bigger. Nah, he's not too big. Oh, he's probably the biggest one of the day though. Oh, there's a fish. All right. So we got some fluke around now. The fluke are starting to bite. The fluke are definitely starting to bite. Not an insanely good hook set, but did the job. All right, there we go. Let's go catch another one. Right. That's what I mean. There could easily be a very good fish in here somewhere. Yeah, we need some current right now. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that's a fish. There's a fish.
Are you filming?
Yep. I got a fish though. Doesn't feel too bad. Here we go. He's getting vertical with me. He's fighting pretty good. Oh, that's close to a keep. Nah, that's not a keeper. No way.
There's a
Flounder. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, all right.
That's
Pretty good, right? All right, so what's that? Hi, YouTube. That's short. He's probably like 16 inches, but they have to be 18 inches. All right, so that was, oh, I might have just got another bite. No, this is like a really good spot. There's another one. That's like 2 casts in a row, dude. Right when the tide changed. He's not that big. He's a baby.
Aw, he's so cute.
So there's obviously a lot of fish here. That's crazy. Like literally an hour ago, it was like, there was fish, but they were like not biting whatsoever. Or they were like really finicky. Just, and like, as soon as the tide changes, it's like, it makes all the difference in the world. Crazy stuff. Come on. There's a fish. He's even more of a baby. Okay, little guy going back. A little bit of rain ski coming down on us. A little bit of rainage. Look, people start like leaving now that they see rain. Crazy. There's a fish. He feels decent. There's so many fluke over here. Crazy. There he is. Oh, he's got underspots. That's cool. Okay, dude. Sorry to keep you out for a while. Another one. It feels decent. It's just cast after cast. Cast after cast after cast. This is incredible. Another one gone. There's one. Oh, he pulled. There's so many of them. Oh, that's a better fish. Oh, I just lost him right there. That was probably a keeper, close to it. Damn.